Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker SVEN PS-950 with your PC. You have to start by right click on your Bluetooth, Windows icon. Now go to Settings, Bluetooth, Add Device, Bluetooth. Now you should press long press on the power button on your speaker. Here we go, and now it should enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!